go. I don't have any syringe to even give you milk. How do you do this without it? Good. Did you say no more? Is that more? Okay, I give you more. I know you're still cold, but you look so miserable. Yes. You gotta eat something. Yeah, I want you to swallow all of it before you close your mouth. You don't even have the strength to swallow. Come on, come on. You got this. You got this. You gotta eat, okay? You gotta eat. No, you're not going anywhere. Stay. You want some milk? Yum, 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 yum. No way. Come out. You like being there? Come out when you want to. Actually do this, yeah. You're awake. And warm. Okay. Alright, you can go home now. Can you go home? Yay! Come here. Come on. Why are you running away from me? Don't run away from me. Alright, let me go return you to your mommy. Come on, let's go return you. Look at that. Bye. Bye. Oh, you say goodbye. Okay,